Hi friends, a very happiest evening to all. Today we are gathered here to have a interview with a special person who is currently working at NRI International Junior College. He is very well experienced person at mathematics and he has experience about 9 plus years. He is none other than Mr. Venkatesh sir. Please welcome him.
Thank you.
His experience 9 years and work. His experience 9 years academic leadership and commutative mentorship. He was mentored. He was mentored. He has mentored of students to crack thousands to expensive results national state levels entrance examinations. His specialty is academic planning and curriculum development. His he was worked with different organizations.
Hi Venkatesh sir, how are you?
I am very good. Ma. What about you?
I'm fine sir. Sir, how much experience you have? Can you share your previous experience with me?
Yeah, sure. So I work the different various organizations. I have the 9 plus years of the experience is there. So I am the mentor of AIR fifth rank, and I work the several organizations, and my old students are there in the NITs, IITs, and triple ITs. Thank you.
Coming to the maths point of view, maths is a very difficult subject. People feel like that. Um, Sir, tell about how maths is very easy and especially JEE means advanced and MSET like this exam, sir.
So max is not an easy. Okay, so every time so the students are saying see, it is not an easy, it is not an easy, it is very easy, right? So how it is easy, I will give the some tricks and tips. Okay, you peoples are upcoming, so JE exams will be writing. So first of all, so the tip one is how much time you are studying. How much time you are studying
4
daily?
hours.
4 hours.
Yes, sir.
4 hours you are studying max or all subjects?
Only max
Yes,
3 to
sir.
4 hours.
Only max 3 to 4 hours you are studying. Definitely, so that is enough sufficient time. And how many problems you are solving for hour? 1 hour.
For 1 hour.
About 30 problems, sir.
20 to 30 problems.
Yes,
20
sir.
to 30 problems you are solving for every day.
Yes.
Okay.
For 1 hour.
For 1 hour you are solving 20 to 30.
Yes.
How it is possible? In 1 hour 20 to 30, how it is possible? That means you are not analyzing the problems. This is the drawback. That's why you peoples are feeling max is very difficult. It is not at all difficult. It is very easy topics compared to that other subjects. When you see that other subjects compared to the other subjects, max is very easy. Why easy? Every day you are studying. How many hours? 3 hours you are studying. That means you are practicing 20 to 30 problems. In 20 to 30 problems, how you are solving? I am asking, how you are solving?
Follow some tricks like that. Some formulas.
Formulas?
Yes.
Some tricks.
Tricks? Okay. Next, any other?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So first of all, if you are writing that any competitive examinations, like in the JEE Mains or MSET or BITSAT, these kind of competitive exams, if you are while writing means, before that you have to understand the so which chapters are more weightage chapters and how many students are appearing for every year, how many seats are there. So do you know how many seats are there in the engineering?
In IIT colleges, sir.
Yes, ma.
18,000 near, sir.
Yes, very good. Total 23 IIT colleges are there. So around 18,000, so 815 admissions are there. Okay, so they can full by JEE Mains as well as advanced exams. So they are filtered this many ways. Why they filter this many ways?
Because good engineering persons for future.
Yes, very good. Okay, so these students, whoever is crack this JEE mains or advanced exams, they are very potential. So the potential, how their potential means, so they are planning, they are making one execution. If you are make it the plan, if you are execute the same plan, this is very easy. I am also NIT Warangal student. Okay, how I studied every day, every day. So I am practicing 20 to 25 problems. Every day 20 to 25 problems I solved every day. So not more than. And when I take the problem, I will create my own steps, not in the book steps, not in the how the teachers are teaching steps. The teachers how they are teaching, that is just it is the my own reference purpose. I have own idea, I have own strategy. I will use my brain, my strategy. When the moment if you are applying your brain to create your own problems or create your own problems, then this is very very easy.
Thank you, sir. Questions?
Can I ask the questions regarding the
Yeah,
JEE, sir?
sure.
How to crack the JEE, especially the math subject?
Especially the max, how to crack the JEE mains exams. So first of all, so JEE mains exam, how many students are appearing for every year? There are lakhs of students are appearing. So around the last year history, if you see, 20 lakh students are appearing. 18 to 20 lakh students are appearing. The total IITs, NITs and triple IITs and government funded institutions. So these all the admissions are 58,370 admissions are there. So the government will be fulfill these admissions by whoever is cleared this JEE mains exams and advanced exams. So on of the average, when I see the ratio of the student, 1:35 students are appearing giving the competition of the exams. So 1:35 and the 35 students, do you think all are really seriously prepared?
No, sir.
No. So how many will prepare approximately seriously, sincerely?
20,000. 20,000. Approximately 20 or 30,000.
Yes, approximately 20 students. 20 students they are preparing.
Yes.
So do you think all are taking the coaching?
No, sir.
Like our college, NRI college is there.
Yes.
So how we are giving that JEE mains point of view. So how we are providing that JEE mains, like that some of the colleges they haven't provided. Our material point of view, our examination point of view, our books point of view. Okay, so these are our weapons to crack the JEE mains exams. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir. I will ask one question, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
How to practice regular in maths, sir?
How to practice regularly in maths.
Maths.
So daily you make it one timetable. So for example, so I have to complete this chapter in this much time. So you put it the time bonding, and to write the practice exams by CBT mode or offline mode, to write practice exams, n number of practice exams, and to refer the more number of books, then you will gain the knowledge. While the moment if you write the examinations, so you will also get the speed, accuracy and balancing the time. Okay, so these all parameters to get the marks, good marks, and to crack the JEE mains exams.
Thank you, sir. Sir, how to build strong concepts in maths, sir?
So, well, very good question. to build the strong concepts of mathematics, especially the mathematics. So follow our NRI material, one thing, our rapid revision books and mind maps books. So as we are providing that mind map books, and entire the chapter content we are so stimulated, and we are giving through that one page of the entire the summary of that book. And daily, as I told you, daily you can practice that 20 to 25 questions and practice more number of exams, thorough with the calculation point of view. So to avoid the more steps in the while solving the problem, so these are the utilize, these are the ways, then you will you will get the good marks.
Thank you, sir. How to revise smartly, sir?
So to revise the smartly, okay, so everyone nowadays they are applying the technology. Okay, so if the student not getting the solution, so they are not thinking to solve the problems, they are checking to the Google. Google is giving the answer, they are blindly believe to that Google only. So that means they are using smart work or hard work. Smart work. That smart work always cannot be helpful. By smart way you can study by, as I told you, the rapid revision book. Rapid revision book, it is the helpful to the PYQ questions as well as FYQ questions, future year questions. So coming JE, what kind of questions will ask? So what kind of questions will come on which topic, which chapter? So we are predicted. So it will be helpful to smart way and to avoid the steps. So don't do the more steps, to avoid the steps, and follow the class works and the materials there. So some tricks and tips and shortcuts are there. So that is helpful to the smart way.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, one more question from my side.
Yes, ma'am.
How to balance or manage the time?
Okay, balancing and managing the time. Every day, if you are taking one chapter, that chapter, if you complete this many problems, then so yourself you can analyze how much I should be understood this topic, how much I can be get good marks of these chapters. You can write the topic examinations. So after completion of the examinations, then you can analyze which is your strong way, which is your weak point. So the moment when you understood the strongest way and weakness, then the problems you can practice the more and more problems while you are did the wrong problems, then you are get the good marks.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, another question from sir. Suggest from tips for maths, sir. Practice for maths.
Practice for maths.
Suggest
Some tips for maths. So there are few of the chapters. It is the more weightage chapters and compulsory question chapters. If you refer to the PYQ questions and what you wrote the previous practice exams in the about to your NRI college, and the materials, and where you did the wrong and you have to rectify that wrong things, obviously you will get the good marks. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The key role of mathematics in JEE Mains, sir.
Right. The key role of the mathematics in the JEE. So there are 25 questions are giving to the JEE point of view. JEE 25 questions are there. 20 is the in MCQ and 5 questions is the numerical based problems. So in the 20 problems of the MCQs, the 7 is giving the easiest problems, and 8 is the moderate problems, and 5 is not very much difficult, small tricky way they will ask to the 5 questions. Yes, that 5 questions who will crack, for them the rank will be the 99 percentile. And the integer problems are there, another 5. That integer problems, only one problem will give the difficulty. So as you revise the previous year papers, so the history is only one problems will give the numerical based problems, in one is the difficult, rest 4 is in very easy problems. And next, another thing, if you are writing the exam, while if you are start and write the exam, practice exam or main exam, first you have to complete the easiest problems in all the subjects. Okay, so you have to put the time limit, this time I have to complete this problem. If you are not getting to the solution, it's taking more time, then don't do that problem. You can go for the jump to the next problem. So if you know correct exactly, then only you can attempt, or else without knowing the answer you cannot attempt, because there is a negative marking is there. Okay, so each one carries 4 marks and -1 is the negative marking is there. And max is very deciding the subject of your JEE mains.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving a valuable message about how to crack the JMN, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Golden words by you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for clarifying our doubts regarding JEE means. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.